flyers. So you just need to know how you can combine the elements to create that particular flyer you want. Now, one thing about graphic design is when you see someone's work and the work is nice, you save the work, and at your free time you try to design the same. You save the work and you try to design the same. As you do that, you will also be improving. So we are looking at flyers, and I want us to design a business flyer. So I have one I've created. Let's open it and see. Control O. I'll save it here on my laptop desktop. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's try to create something like this. Okay, we may not necessarily create the same, but we are trying to create something like this, a business flyer. So we first of all need to choose our background. Control N. We select our background. Let's say I select A4. Now this is A4, but I want the height not to be like exactly A4. So instead of this height being 297, I will make it, let's say, 250. Okay, so this is my background. Okay, so we are trying to create something like this. Okay, so I have to create this brown shape. We already have the white background. Okay, so let's go. We choose shape, we go to ellipse, and we draw our shape. You left click and hold, and you drag it like this. You choose the color, come to FX, color overlay. You choose your brown color like this. Okay, let me choose a different brown like this. Okay, so now I can use the move tool. You can press V on the keyboard to select the move tool. I click and hold here, I drag it like this, enter. I can use the move tool to drag it up. Okay, up like this. Let me see the work. This is it. Okay, let me change my brown a bit, so I can double click on the color overlay at the layer side. It will open the color for me. I go there. Okay, so now there are some X in the brown, so I have to insert that. So you need to have that one downloaded on your laptop. Okay, so I've already downloaded it and put it in my WhatsApp group I've created. But this group, I created it. I just used my sister's contact to create it, so it was two of us. Then I removed my sister, so it is only me in this group, and I use it for my personal work. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, I've downloaded it, so I right click on it and I copy. I come back to my Photoshop and I paste it. Control V. Using the move tool, you can drag and expand it. Now I'm going to clip mask it. So to clip mask it, you have to make sure this egg layer is on top of the shape layer. Okay, so right click, create clip mask like this. It is not appearing, meaning I have to work on the shape. So I right click on the shape and I go to rasterize layer style. So it has come. Now I don't want the egg to be too visible, so I select the egg layer and this is the opacity. I reduce the opacity to, let's say, 20, or let's say 15, like this, or let me say 10. Okay, let me see the work I'm creating like this. Okay, so now I can type. You press T on the keyboard or you select the text tool. So you type by clicking on your work. So let's say Franita is what? X. Okay. So Franita, you use the move tool. You can drag a side to control the size. Okay, so I can copy it, Control J, pull it down using the move tool. Then I press the T, the text tool, double click on it to select it. Then I edit it, X. Okay, so I can either reduce the size here or use the move tool. So let me say I'm using this. So I go to 50. Okay, enter. No, 70. Enter. Okay, so now I can use the move to V on the keyboard. Then I use the move tool like this. Okay. Okay, so I need to get this for sale. Okay, so I can just go to Google and download some. So I go to my browser. Okay, I go to my browser. And I search for sale PNG, for sale PNG, and I search. So these are samples I can download. Okay. So let me say I want to download this one. I click on it. Right click, copy image, come to my work, Control V. Then I can crop the edges. So using this tool, a magic wand tool, I come and click here. Now I wanted to remove all the, if you want to remove all the white in it, then you have to untick this continuous. Okay, and if you wanted to crop it very close to the image, then you have to increase the tolerance. So let's say 70. So I come and click again, and I click backspace, Control D to deselect. I can use the move tool now, V on the keyboard, to move it like this. Can zoom my work in, Control, and you press plus. So I can use the magic wand tool to crop that areas to this area. You click here. Now I have to select this object layer here. So I click here. I press backspace, Control D to deselect like this. To zoom it in, I click on Control minus. Okay, now like this, let me see the work I'm creating. Okay, so I need to download this X. Okay, so you can go to your browser and you search for, let's say, crates of egg png, crates of eggs. So you see, then you go to image. So now you can download, let's say this one, you click on it to open it. Is delaying. I can equally right click on it and copy it. I come to my work, Control V. I use the move tool to move it by clicking the left mouse button plus the shift key and dragging it. Enter. Okay. Let me see the work. Enter. Okay, so I need to crop that white space. So I go to magic wand tool and click it like this, backspace, Control D to deselect. Now I see it has cropped this area because the tolerance is very high, so I can undo by clicking Control plus Alt plus Z, another Z, another Z. Okay, now I can decrease the tolerance to, let's say, 30, and I come and click here. You see that area has not been selected. Backspace, click here, backspace, deselect, Control D. Okay, so now I need to download this. Okay, so let's see if I can have other images. Let's see here. Okay, so let me search for a hen on X PNG. So you see, now I can download this one, clicking on it, right click, copy, come to my work, Control V, use move tool to adjust the size, use magic wand to crop the background, backspace, use move tool to adjust the size a bit. Now I need this one to go back of this one, so I bring this one's layer here, I pull it down the layer of the X to have it like this. So I can shift the X like this using the move tool. Okay, so now I need to download free delivery in Kumasi. Free delivery in Kumasi. So I go to my browser and I search free delivery PNG. Okay, so I have many of them. I download the one I want. Let's say okay, let's say this one. So right click, copy image, come back to my work, Control V. I use the move tool to adjust the size, enter. I can click and hold here, pull it like this to the other side to turn the image, decrease the size, zoom it in, control plus. Okay, so it seems the delivery has turned, so I need to turn it back like this. Okay. Okay. So order now. This one, order now. So I go to my browser. I can search for order now PNG. I have some of them like this one. Right click, then copy, or you can click on it so that the image will open well for you. You see, like this one. Sometimes if you copy it direct here, you won't have a clearer image. So it's better you click on it to open it like this, then you right click and copy, or better still you can right click and save it in onto your desktop, and then you can import it from there if you want to save that picture for the future. So I go back to my work, Control V, using the move to adjust the size, crop the background using magic wand to backspace, Control D to deselect, using the move tool I adjust the size, and this one as well. Okay, now there is a site you can download the background and some effects. It is called Pinterest. So when you open your browser, you can search for pinterest.com. This one, pinterest.com. Then you log in with your email and you can download pictures and backgrounds and many things from here for your work. Okay, so I've already downloaded some effects and put them in my WhatsApp group. So let me see, I downloaded this one from Pinterest and this one too. So let me copy this one, right click, copy. Now I've copied this one from my WhatsApp group. Okay, so I go back to my work and I paste it. If you don't have one, I can post one in our group, or you can download from your browser. So you click here, backspace, Control D to deselect, use move tool to adjust the size. You can do something like this, you have to be creative. Enter. So you see the effects. Okay, now you are looking at the contacts, the contact numbers. So I create my shape. You click and hold the left mouse button, you drag it, you give it a color, FX, color overlay. I want to select this color of the egg, so I come and click here, and I have it like this. I can make it deeper. Okay, I want to draw a circle, so I come back to my tool, ellipse tool, click and hold the left mouse button, add the shift tool, I change the color, go to FX, color overlay. I click in here, I come and select this color because I want that same color. So I come and click here like this, and I click on OK. Now I want to give it a stroke. I don't need to go back and click on FX. We have them here. So I click on stroke to take it. Then I adjust the size to, let's say, 10, and the color to white. Okay. I can choose, let's say, 30. Let me see. Okay, 20. Okay. I use the move tool to adjust the size and the position like this. You need to be creative. Now I want to put in the call or the phone logo, so symbol. So I go to the shape tools and right click. I go to custom shapes. I come up here, click on the drop down arrow. Then I look for the phone, or better still, you can download one from your browser. This is it. I click on it, come to my work, left click and hold, add the shift, then you draw, change the color, FX, color overlay. Let's give it a white color. Okay. Let's type. So you select the text tool, you click 0241862136. I need to decrease the size. I can come here, let's say 20. Okay. I want to change the font. I can type in here by double clicking on the text name to select it. Then I type in the font. If I know the name like this, enter. Okay, I can select this option, go for, let's say, black, so area black. Using the move tool, I can adjust it like this. Okay, what is left? Okay, the sizes. Okay, so now I can copy this one by clicking on this shape, Ctrl J to copy it. Using the move tool, drag it here. Use the move tool, adjust the size. Adjust the size. Click on the text, copy it, Ctrl J. Use the move tool, bring it here, adjust the size, enter. Text tool T on the keyboard, double click to select, then I type sizes. Sizes. Use the move tool to adjust the size. Okay, I can copy it, Ctrl J. Use the move tool or arrow keys on your keyboard. You can click the arrow keys on your keyboard to bring it down if the text is very small and it's difficult to use the move tool. I change the color, go to FX, color overlay. Choose this color, or let me say black. Okay. So text tool, double click. We have large. Use the move tool, adjust the size. Copy, Ctrl J. Using arrow keys on your keyboard, bring it down. Let me change the first one to capital. Click here. Double click, edit, medium. Use arrow keys on your keyboard, can bring it down. So you select the move tool, using arrow keys on your keyboard, you bring it down. Ctrl J to copy, using the arrow keys, you bring it down. You select the text tool, double click, edit it, small. Okay, so now I can bring in something, go to shape, select ellipse, left click and hold, add the shift key, draw a small circle like this, use the move tool and the arrow keys on my keyboard to position it well. Control J to copy, arrow keys to move it down, Control J to copy, arrow keys to move it down like this. Let's zoom it in, Control minus minus, and now I have my flyer. Now I want my work to appear differently, so I come up here and you see adjustment here. So we have this vibrance, I click on it and I increase the vibrance like this. Okay, I can go there, click on the brightness contrast and I increase the contrast like this. Okay, you have to make sure the effect you are creating, the adjustments are on top of all the layers if you want it to affect all layers. Okay, so this is my work, this is what I was looking at, and this is what I created. To save it, I go to File, Save As, and I give it a name, X. Desktop, Save As, JPEG, Save, 12 quality. Okay, so I'll go to my desktop and my work will be there like this one. So this is my flyer.